Hello fellow traders, welcome to FX View. So today we're going to talk about the Firstrade stockbroker, as it's a US discount stockbroker regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission and Financial Industry Regulation Authority. The company was founded in 1985 under the name of First Flushing Securities. So Firstrade offers free stocks, ETF, mutual funds, and option trading. The non-trading fees are also low. The research is high quality and covers a lot of tools, including trading ideas and detailed fundamental data. There are good quality education tools, from educational videos to webinars. It doesn't provide credit, debit card, and electronic wallets. As for money transfer, the product portfolio covers only the US market, so customer service is only 24/5 and there is no live chat provided. So I repeat, between the pros of this broker is free stock, ETF, fund and option trading. There's also solid research tools, quality education tools. But as cons, there is no credit, debit card and electronic wallets for money transfer, and you can trade only on US markets, and there is no live chat 24/7 availability, so it's 24/5 only. If you prefer stock trading on margin or short sale, you should check Firstrade financing rates. Financing rates or margin rates is charged when you trade on margin or short a stock. This basically means that you borrow money or stocks from your broker to trade. For this borrowed money stock, you have to pay interest. This is financing rate. It can be a significant proportion of your trading costs. So Firstrade financing rates are high. For stocks, the financial rates vary based on the base currency for your margin account. So if you ask me what's the minimum deposit at Firstrade, the minimum deposit is $0 for both US and international clients. The minimum deposit can be more if you trade on margin or prefer investing in portfolios. Also, for the account types, there is the individual, the joint accounts, the retirement accounts, the business accounts, and the education saving accounts, and the custodial account. The account opening is fully digital and user-friendly. The online application will take you roughly 15 minutes, but the verification is a bit slow. Altogether is 3 business days until your account gets verified. Firstrade charges no deposit fees, and then you can use if you are a US client, you can use check, ACH and wire transfer for the deposit. Unfortunately, at this time there is no credit, debit card and electronic wallets to deposit your money. So in withdrawal, there is no withdrawal fee too if you use ACH withdrawal, but if you use domestic wire transfer, will cost you $13, while international withdrawals cost $15. The Firstrade web trading platform is user-friendly, provides good user experience and design. On the negative side, its customizability is limited. You can change the order of the tabs in the investor home, but other tabs aren't customizable. Firstrade also have a desktop platform and a well-designed mobile app for both Android and iOS. So bottom line, guys, Firstrade is one of the best or the biggest discount US stockbrokers regulated by the top tier regulators. It offers free stock, ETF, mutual funds and options trading. It doesn't change or charge inactivity and account fees, and there are a lot of quality research and educational tools you can use. Also, we did know that Firstrade doesn't provide any credit or debit card and electronic wallets for transferring money. So if you're interested only in US market products, yes, then you will be delighted. Otherwise, you might find insufficient that the product portfolio covers only the US market and the customer service is only 24/5. That being said, guys, thanks for watching. See you on another video with another broker.